Welcome guys to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave, and as you noticed, I've been coming out and doing many more videos. So if you're interested in the content that you find on this channel, let me tell you right in the beginning, guys, there's a bell and there's a red button. Okay, I want you to click on both those things right now just before we get started in the main, let's say, meat and potatoes of this actual video. Okay, so there's a subscribe button, click on it, and then at the side there's a bell notification button, a small bell. Just click on that as well. You'll get updated. You'll get an email basically from YouTube that'll tell you exactly when I post a new video. So I'm on my Facebook right now. In case you want to reach out to me, the link is also in the description of this video. And let's go ahead and actually talk about the Pro System, guys. I put out a video recently. In fact, let me just go to my YouTube channel so that you can see it. Very open with everything that I'm doing online, guys. So let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Let's go to what am I doing? Nope, I need to go to my channel. So let's go to my channel. Okay, and I did this video right here, guys. Okay, so this video right here, which is the money flow of the Pro System, I just put it out a day ago, yesterday in fact, and I've already got a few questions regarding like what is it how is it going to be beneficial for me, how does the money flow actually work, and stuff like that. I would suggest to watch the video because I've explained it pretty well in the video, but I wanted to do another short video just to specify a few things. Okay, so first and foremost, I built the Pro System, guys, for you, okay, for me to leverage more of my time. See, the reason why there are people who get asked me, and people have coming and asking me specifically about that they don't have enough money, that they are on a specific budget, that they cannot go ahead and follow the plan, etc., etc. Now, I focus my efforts and my time on paid advertising, guys. Okay, upfront, if you want to join me, definitely I'm going to suggest tools for you, opportunities for you, and a consistent expenditure advertising budget plan. Okay, there's a reason why I'm doing it. I'm not just saying it. It works, and I want you to get results. But more than getting results, the reason why I specifically moved to this plan is because I needed to free more of my time. I have a full-time job, which I love. Okay, don't get me wrong. I'm doing this because I love being an online marketer as well, but I love my full-time job as well. Now, so definitely I need to leverage my time. Before, when I had more time, it was easier for me to market and actually sell my products and everything with more time. But I don't have that time anymore. And I suggest that people already would get used to not having the time and focusing rather on having the tools and software to actually build their business now, which is one of the reasons why I heavily support tools and software for people to leverage their time and money. Okay, I obviously evaluate whether it's for me or no, but this is something that I do. If you resonate with that story, if you have a job, if you're confused, and if you want a software or a funnel that works for you to generate your income, as long as you take consistent action, then why not, right? You're leveraging your time. This has helped me, and I'm going to be very open about this. Has helped me when I've been in hospital, when I've traveled all over the world, especially in India. When I was traveling the last 2 months, it has always been running for me. Without this kind of a system, it's not going to leverage my time. So I'm looking for more time freedom. So I have a system in place to leverage that so that I have more time freedom. I can be my own businessman. I can be my own salesman, and the system does the work for me. Okay, and I would like it to do the work for you. So how does the Pro System do the work for you? First and foremost, these are the main elements of the Pro System. You can see right now from this specific overview, you can see already 4 streams of income. 4 streams of income. Okay, there is a 5th one, but let's just talk about 4 streams of income. Okay, in this video. So the 2nd stream of income I can put here. Maybe that will help you. Okay, let's just put plus EW, which is Aweber, guys. Okay, now these are tools specifically that I use to build the Pro System. Easy one up is the first income stream that you have. Okay, so this is number 1. This is number 2. FutureNet is number 2. Okay, and Icon Pro is number 3. Now, I have a separate funnel for Icon Pro, which follows the exact same strategy. the way the income stream works is that every single one I make money here. This goes a percentage, 70% goes to my pocket. Okay, 70% goes to my pocket. And I'll explain to you why. In FutureNet, okay, in FutureNet, Future Ad Pro, I put 100% of this into traffic, so nothing into my pocket. iCoin Pro, again, I put 70% in my pocket. Ooh, now this looks interesting. Why the 70% in my pocket, etc., etc. Everything that I make from Online Sales Pro makes me happy. It goes into my pocket. Okay, I'm just gonna put a tick here. Everything I make from Aweber goes into my pocket. So this system puts money into my pocket, as you can see. Everything that I make in traffic goes back into traffic. It's as simple as that. I have an affiliate offers in terms of traffic, and if people start to purchase traffic, I accumulate traffic there. If people don't, I don't really care. I continue to purchase traffic. Okay, so this is the structure of the Pro system, and this is the money flow of the Pro system, as I spoke about before. But I wanted to give you guys an idea of how it works. So if I make a sale in Easy One Up, what happens is I put 70% in my pocket, and the rest of the money goes into one place. Now, I'm gonna do this. Okay, goes right here. So 30% of whatever I earn in Easy One Up goes into traffic. Okay. Everything that I said in terms of FutureNet, at the moment I'm putting everything back into traffic because I want to leverage my account. Okay, to have that running for me. So FutureNet usually pays for my traffic with weekly traffic budget, as well as anything else that I needed to pay for. iCoin Pro, 70% goes into my pocket, 30% goes into traffic. Are you seeing a pattern here, guys? There's a lot of funds going into traffic. So there's an advertising budget. I said this is the way I leverage my time, because then I can go away for a week. Okay, the traffic, I send it to the system that promotes the fourth stream of income as well, and the fifth stream of income. Now these two tools are long-term business tools that I use. So people, if you want to duplicate the same funnel, if you want me to give you the share codes and stuff like that, then you need to get 37. You spend $37 US on this. Okay, $37 per month, and this is minimum $19. Okay, $19. So a total of $56 basically to have the whole system up and running for you. Okay, $56 to get a whole system running for you, definitely possible. Okay, tools that are needed, 100%. If you want to duplicate the same results that I'm getting, then these are the tools that you're going to use. Okay. Now, the Pro system built on Online Sales Pro and Aweber do two things. Okay, they specifically promote this right here, this right here. I know it's a bit of a mess of the arrows, but you get what I mean. Maybe if I zoom out a bit, no, zoom out a bit, it's easier. Okay, and it will promote this. Okay. Now, I have a separate funnel. I usually focus, and I'm going to show you guys how this works, okay? It promotes these three products. Every time I make a sale in one of them, as you can see, it goes into traffic, and the whole cycle goes again. So it's traffic, system, I get earning money. If I earn any money here, it goes into my pocket, okay? Which I do promote it in my, I specifically say in my funnel that, hey guys, if you want to duplicate the same results, if you want to duplicate myself, then you need to get the tool so I can share with you and you can get the whole funnel for yourself. Okay, so that's a bonus from my side. I don't have to do it, but it's a bonus from my side. I would love to do it for you. Okay, and then it promotes these three offers right here. Now you may ask, David, how are you doing this? It's really complicated, and it's actually not complicated at all. But people are used to going into instant gratification. Now I want to take that mindset away from instant gratification and actually teach you a long-term business plan. Okay, if you're fed up of not getting results, if you're completely lost, then you should be focused on rather a long-term business plan instead of these whatever quick bucks that you're going to make, because this allows people to follow a strategy for a year at least, and then build momentum and then go into doing whatever they want. But it gives them a year. Okay, you want to create a following for yourself that gives them this kind of capability and possibilities to generate income online. And all of these have high possibilities. If you're at the $1,000 level here, each sale over here you can get what I put in my pocket is 70%. So that's $700 I put in my pocket just from the sale of Easy One Up. The same thing goes for iCoin Pro. Each sale right now from October 1st will be $50. Okay, and I'm just gonna show you 70% of $50. 70% of, no, actually 30% of $50. So that's $15 go into my traffic budget, goes into traffic, as I said. Okay, so you go 50. Let's just go 50. Oops. 50 minus 15, which will be 35. $35 per sale. Okay, per sale goes into my pocket. So you can say if you want 4 per month, 5 per month, 10 per month, whatever it is. If you get 10 per month, it's $350 just from this per month that you're getting. Do you get what I mean? So there is definitely a possibility, and I'm saying 10, and I'm directly using this amount. So the rest of the money goes into traffic, which keeps my business alive. It keeps me running. It keeps me going. So let me just show you guys how it is on the system itself. This is the intro funnel where I explain the whole strategy video for you, and it goes to. All right, guys, you are here on step. Okay, it goes to step 1. Basically shows you the 1, 2, 3 how I do things. And if you want to get set up now, you click on this. So it's simply coming here. You have 2 buttons. You see my strategy. I'm very upfront about it. You have Easy One Up. You have Future Ad Pro, and I talk about the strategy itself. And then you lastly have my sorry, the video is not loaded yet. Let's just refresh this. Sorry about that, guys. Or maybe I need to change the video. Ooh, interesting. You check my funnel, guys. Oh no, not yet loaded for some reason. Sometimes they have a placeholder funnel, but yeah, they will come up. But basically, or maybe it's my it's my internet, guys. Sorry about that. It's a bit slow today, so it's not pulling up the actual thing that I needed to pull up. So let's click on. Let's go back to the funnel itself, and let's click on Get Set Up Now. I want to see what it does. Ooh, yes, it does. I have no idea why. I will check this, but anyway. So it gives everything else, and the last is the traffic that I use. Okay, so it teaches you the exact same strategy that you can see here. It teaches you in the video. And if you go to the Join the Crypto World, which is the iCoin Pro side of it, okay, I talk about getting started, and there's a bonus and the rules of the bonus, etc. If you click on the education side of it, you basically see iCoin Pro. Ooh. Love to see my funnel in action, and actually I need to change this video. Maybe there's a problem with the iCoin Pro funnel because I used that kind of video, but anyway, I will check it out, see that it's changed. But yeah, just delete this. See, guys, I'm very upfront with my strategies and everything else, so I do have to make some updates to my funnel for one specific reason, specifically for iCoin Pro, is because they are launching a new funnel in October. So I need to make sure that that funnel is up and running, and I have made the same kind of, changes in my funnel itself. But as you can see right here, this goes to the trading, and it teaches you how to trade. It teaches you the iCoin Pro side of it, and I have everything in a box. This is my whole system, guys. This is my whole system. Okay, possibilities of income are literally 1,000 here. You can make easily 350 to 1,000 per month here. Basically, this whole system itself, if you focus on it and you want, let's say, a minimum of each product, you're earning $1,000 per month, you can make around $5,000 per month from the system itself. Just from the 5 streams of income, you can focus on $5,000 per month easily. If you want it at 10, you can focus it on 10. It depends on your kind of drive and method. If you want it to stay at 500, it can be at 500. So that's the thing, the money flow, the video that I put out on the money flow is just to show you guys the money flow. But at the end of the day, the software works very well, and the whole funnel works very well. So this is the Pro system, guys. If you are interested, link is in the description to it. Feel free to reach out, and if there's any kind of thing that you need to know from me, let me know, and I'll get back to you. In the comments of this video, on Facebook, wherever you reach out to me, I'm very happy to respond to your questions, okay? Subscribe to the channel if you like the content and you like the strategy, and if you're interested in it, I would love to get started and working with you. Have a great day, keep positive, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.